boy. How in the world are you?
I'm good, Mr. Rick. How are you?
Oh, I'm doing pretty good. By the way,
good.
I forgot to tell you at the end of that last show there, I appreciate you helping me with changing that, the transmission fluid or gear oil.
Gear oil, yeah.
Out of my transmission of this here old truck.
Well, you're absolutely welcome. You know I'll help you do anything I can.
Well, maybe next time I'll let you put it in or something.
Well, I hope that's what you do. Thank you.
Well, look here. Have you heard any good dad jokes lately?
Why, yeah.
All right. Well, I tell you what. Like always, I'll tell mine first.
Okay.
And then I'll let you tell yours. I say, how we do this? You're gonna tell 5, and I'm gonna tell 5, and we're both gonna tell long ones. All right?
Sounds like a winner. Go ahead. Tell your first one.
All right, that sounds good. All right. Well, let's see. Where do pirates get their hooks?
Where do pirates get their hooks? Well, I don't know.
From the second-hand store.
Yeah. There's good.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah,
second-hand store. Tell me nothing. That was good.
All right, now, who was the greenest president of the United States?
The greenest president of the United States. Well, you know what? I don't
Well, that would have been the Bushes.
The Bushes.
I know that's pretty corny right there.
That's funny. All right, give me that.
All right, now, what do you call a beehive that doesn't have an exit?
A beehive without an exit. I
don't know. Unbelievable.
Unbelievable. All right, that's all right.
You have to think about them, don't you? Yeah. All right, then. Well.
All right, well, give me that.
Did you know that the first French fries was not cooked in France?
You don't mean it.
No, they were cooked in Greece. I know, right?
That's pretty good there. All right, give me that.
Well, I'm gonna tell you what. I found a wooden shoe in my toilet.
In your toilet?
I did, and it was clogged.
It was clogged.
Get it, wooden clogged.
I do. I get it.
Well, okay, I'm gonna tell my long joke now.
All right.
And then I'll let you tell your dad joke. All right?
Okay. All right. Go ahead.
All right. Well, there was this woman and this man. They was fussing and fighting all the time.
You don't say.
Yeah. And it just got to the point the woman just couldn't stand her. Couldn't stand him anymore. I mean, she was always hollering and screaming and throwing things at him and all that.
Oh.
So just one day he come home and she had packed his bags and set them outside.
Packed his bags?
So he says, I'm taking it you want me to leave. So he opens up the door and he carries his luggage outside.
You don't
and she hollers at him and she says, I hope you have a long, painful death.
Oh, man.
He turns around to her and says, well, wait a minute. Are you wanting me to stay or not?
Oh.
So you want me to stay? Long, painful death.
That's right.
That's silly.
Yeah, that's right.
All right.
I get it.
So now you tell yours.
All right. What does a Frenchman call his sandals?
A Frenchman wearing sandals. I don't know.
Philippe flop.
Philippe.
Yeah.
Flop.
Yeah.
Okay, I get it. All right. Give me that.
All right. Well, what is the strongest days of the week?
Which days are the strongest? I don't know.
Saturday and Sunday, because the rest of them are weekdays.
Well, I get that one.
Yeah.
That is a dad joke. I get it. All right, tell him that.
All right, look at my wife asked me, where do I get so much candy? I said, well, you know, I always got a Twix up my sleeve.
Twix up my sleeve.
Yeah, Twix up my sleeve. That's pretty good.
I like it. Go ahead. Tell him nothing.
All right, where does a cow get all its information on the farm?
Well, I didn't know they read, but where?
Well, they read the moose paper.
The moose paper. That's good. All right, you got one more short one. Let's hear it.
Well, I hate my job. All I do all day is I crush soda cans.
What do you do?
I crush soda cans. It's so depressing. Yeah, I know. That's funny.
That's all right. Well, look in. Why don't you go ahead and tell your long?
Well, I got a job, and I've been working there all year, you know, and then here come my boss. Yeah, here come my boss rolling up in a really nice sports car, you know.
Okay, nice.
And I went ahead and I complimented. I said, man, that's a beautiful paint job on that car, and look at that leather interior. And I said, I need to put my sunglasses on just so that I can look at all that chrome on there. He looked at me and he says, well, thank you very much. He said, PeaRoy, if you will put the dedication in, and you work hard and do the best you can on your job, well, I'll be able to buy a better car next year.
Oh man, that's just mean right there. That's funny right there. I don't care who you are. That's right. I know, man. That's funny. Yeah, gonna make him some money, ain't he? All right, fellers and fellettes. I will see you guys next week. Thank you for having me on there, PeaRoy.
Well, you're welcome, Mr. Rick. I'm so glad you got stopped by and us do this again. Well, look here, fellers. I'm gonna at the end of this thing. I'm going to get them to put up there my email address and my address and the slow mail. And if you want to, you can send me your dad jokes, and if it gets on the air, I will personally tell you thank you, and I'll announce your name if you write your name on there too. All right. Well, look here. Thank you so much for dropping by, and I will see y'all again next week. All right.